Hey guys, today I'm going to attempt to put a Rubik's Cube back together as fast as I can. Of course, this is not a Rubik's brand, it's again Cube, and I chose not to use my main because, yeah. Alright, I've disassembled my cube and two things that I am setting as a rule. So obviously I'm not allowed to touch anything when my hands are on the timer, and it doesn't have to be solvable. So I'm just trying to assemble the cube as fast as I can. Alright, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh man, the crazy look ahead. That's insane. Frick moment. I don't know why I did that. There was no point. No. Well, rip the sub 1. That's 107, as you can see. Not that bad, but I feel like I could have done better. If you guys want me to do it with a bigger cube, like okay, probably not this one, but like 4x4 or something, I think I could probably do 4x4 in like under 5 minutes. I'm not sure about that one, but maybe. Please like and sub, and also bye.